Big up Krossez TV.
I be a Krossez you have over your master.
Krossez TV about.
It up here, so it start. So me know nobody thinks that me I get involved in an argument. Yes, so it start. She go sit down and never come talk, but she not like me. Macy and Kenneth never call her name. Kenneth come from my life and Kenneth say Destiny. Me never help nobody. Don't talk about it and alright, I'm gone, right? But me attack over my experience and everybody depend on life and the people them say Destiny, I true ya attack. Me over yesterday talk. And yesterday there. So me don't know where I go click live when I come class and I come and me chop in your face and you come to me like me and me chop you. Alright. Come here. I'm a done blood clot here. And me chop you, Amaya. And me blood clot chop in your face. I teeth your teeth and them chop up your blood clot. Let me take it off because I don't want them black me. Hallelujah. Rubaka shitalaba. Yebeke setelebe. Hallelujah. Don't come for me. Don't come for me. Don't come for me, bundog. Do not come for me, bundog. Don't come for me. I never chop you in your face. I am not the one who chop you in your blood clot face. I teeth your teeth and them limb up your blood clot. I teeth your teeth and them limb up your blood clot. No man never chop in your face. I teeth your not them. Hey, anybody ever put cry face over your go? Hey, you go block on the blood clot. Anybody will come for me life and put no crying face. Leave. Leave. All right. Come and me type it. Come back. Put any crying face over here. Put, not even my God, me no want hear. Not even my God. Not even, put no crying face over this blood clot. You see something. All right. Put no crying face over this blood clot. You see something. You hear me tell us something. You tell us something. You swear to do wickedness, wickedness fall back at you. When you do wickedness, wickedness fall back at you. All right. When you do evilness, you know, hear God say, when you're bad, him send a bad man for you. Me no want to, hey, me no want to crying face on this blood clot, yeah. Cause any on missing no crying face, me go any on missing no crying smooch, yeah, come up, me go end the blood clot live. Me no want no crying face. When you're wicked, with Destiny what? Destiny, I don't want anybody to come to done. No, anybody come to done, I go this up there blood clot, you know. And I go send no on no moment, you know. Don't come to done. You hear? Don't ever tell me to done. All right. Anybody with companies after Destiny done, go and suck out your mother. Eat down your mother. You know why? Me dey on my life and me I talk about the incident yesterday. And I say everybody feel it good. I mean I talk nobody na course. Kenneth no company life, Kenneth na course. Amaya na Macy na course. You come on the fucking live. And your press live gone disrespect blood clot Kenneth and blood clot Macy. And nobody not trouble blood clot you. Nobody not look at your dirty blood clot. And you make problem with the girl in. And then you come shut up a stinking mouth. And I come talk about you don't like this. Me know what you like because you're thief. You're wicked and you're thief. You chop where you get in your face, I chop them, chop up your blood clot and you scrap thief, you got thief. You see the way if I chop them, I thief, you got thief, Amaya. You got thief. And then chop up your tower. Oh, when me there Germany, you go to Germany, got thief for back a blood clot gold ring. You thief. And them days, they still like come media Jamaica and they beat me. And they beat me because of the things that me do in a life. No, they beat me because me is a gay. But remember say them beat you. Because you work on thief for much people money and do the things there. Show the picture again. I walk and rap people. Look how the girl is scary. And if you come to the test, all your body will me sure. Follow my top page, guys. Follow my top page. My bottom page is not working. Follow my top page. My bottom page not work. Look how this girl. Look how she ugly. Look how you chop up and nasty and cranny all fungus head, girl. Looking at your mouth. Looking at your mouth. Your cousin will come talk about me need a face. Tell your cousin say you need a face. You need a face. You need a fucking face, bitch. You need a fucking face. Don't come for me. Don't come for me, bitch. Because I'm going to rip up your wall of blood clot. No, no, come for me. Oh, no, come for blood clot me. Oh, because you go to Germany, good, no blood clot. You go to Germany, good, and because of your blood clot finger, them deport your dirty blood clot and ban you from Europe. Them ban you. You can't come back to Europe. No way in Europe you can't come back. Them ban you permanent. Ban. Because the thief a bag of gold ring. I think this is America. When they will lock up you and then put out, send you to jail or send you back. Them ban your blood clot, you can't come here. Look on the girl how she's scary. Look on how she's scary. I want come class blood clot people. Look on then there's something there. Look on this that's sitting here. Look on the woman head. Look on the woman head. Look on this whole wicked, this whole blood clot long time witch here. This whole long time witch of Rosalia. Look on your dirty blood clot. Look on your dirty blood clot. Blood clot. You look like them chop up dog there. You walk on teeth like dog, no blood clot. No come for me. Boy, you know, you hate me. Look how the woman look there. I know she never chop up so she don't look nice as a woman. Yes, my breast, I do my breast. See her when she was a man. I talk about that. Look on the woman when she was a man. Yes, I get my breast implant, baby girl. See her when she was a man. All dead dog like a you. All shit house. All dog shit. I'm them here, Madi Amaya. I'm them here, come my breast look better than half you. Half your breast the way on the corner. Look on your dirty blood clot. Where them chop up here and rip up your face. Look on the blood clot scary duppy. Look on the scary duppy. My man, my girl, look on the scary duppy. Take the breast them from underneath your arm. I fix the breast then good. Take them from underneath your arm, dirty girl. Yes. See him so the breast. No see him so the breast then look for true. No see him blood clot way. I may chop up you. Look how you're cranny. Oh, nasty, stinking blood clot, choppy dog. Look at that woman mouth. Woo! Woo! You hear this as somebody I know. They're going to say I mix up in a people argument. Oh. Coming on, nobody thinks I mix up in anybody argument. Over here, so you there first. Over here, so it start first. Because when someone no dirty drunk or the destiny you're reaching a people argument. I just say blood clot start first. I just say start first. Explain me a blood clot. Explain to the people them. Because I'm asking people, I'm come and talk about every blood clot thing. I come and talk about Emily. I not cuss nobody. I come and talk about every situation. And your compound life compressed blood clot life like this girl, you know this girl. Go fix your blood clot. Choppy dog shit, yo. Look at your dirty blood clot. I'm going to chop up your hand yesterday, dog. I'm going to chop up blood clot, yo. No, everybody me a blood clot talk about you see there. Everybody. Me a talk about from Emily, from every one of the girl me a talk about, from Blandy. And when I tell me, I say, I tell people, I say, we never know, me say, me they are Jamaica, the other is a girl, me know. Everybody may come a blood clot about everybody. But true you a dopey canker, you come out. Madam Mason no call your name, Kenneth no call your name, and you call them name underneath the page. And you admit it on your life there, you call them name underneath the blood clot page. So what you want, Amaya Bill Gates? Bill Gates, what do you want? You come and come talk about you know like me. Me never want you like me. Me no want you like me because you wicked or walk and rob the girl them. And beat the girl them. Me no want you like me. I'm a chop you in your blood clot face. I'm do your face so. I'm do your blood clot face so you go run up on me. I'm do your blood clot face so. Nobody never trouble you. Don't come for me. Don't blood clot come for me. Oh. No why you come for blood clot me. Oh. Don't come for me, girl. Don't come for me, come in never chop in your blood clot face and this so. And if I make you that cut in your blood clot face, and I make you look so no me ask and come for me, darling, there. On Instagram can't block me if them block me one more page. Let's see how I do this. The devil, oh this, the demons is coming. What's this? What's this? She decline. Who this a company called? Eric, what's this? I'm going to show them how in your body will look. Wait, bitch. You combo blood clot, me dirty girl. I saw your breast there and look. I prepare porcelain. I said you my name porcelain. Surgery angel do her breast, right? Yeah? When she has surgery angel, her friend called the surgery angel daughter. And she class surgery angel. And bring down surgery angel. She bring down the girl, my love, and the girl do your breast, and the girl do your breast, so. And the girl, I come like a 2,000 she pay for it, and not even 2,000, come like a 300 she pay for do them here. Because you have breast, they have breast underneath the arm. You a maga girl, what you do them a big blood clot suck me here. You maga, what you do with them here? What you do with them here is a maga girl. Then you can't come cuss me. You can't cuss me. You can't cuss me. You go a conch. You left Jamaica. The man chop up here, you know. And you left Jamaica, you got Germany. The woman not even in Germany 1 month. Good. The woman got teeth bag of ring. Hey, but the man bad enough. People, 1 bag of gold ring. I swear upon my life. I can show you when she did at Germany, oh, she did a hype and it things. I don't lie, me I tell. I don't lie. Yes. It's all when she did at Germany, she class Batman, you know, man. She bring down Batman, you know, Batman 8 times, because she did. As the man which at Germany 1 month, the woman got teeth a bag of gold ring. Let me tell you, a bag of gold ring. She got teeth, a bag of blood clot gold ring, she got teeth. And them like, you're 10 years in a jail and you're she want to go back home. Them banner. She can't come in no European country. She can't go to Germany. She can't go to Netherlands. She can't come to Spain. She can't go to France. She can't go to Switzerland. She can't go to Denmark. Them ban her. What you talk about real gold? Real blood clot gold ring, auntie. Real blood clot gold ring. Remember the country them not like America. Them a country that you not run joke. Yeah. Real. I don't know why my page now come up. Let me type on the admin at the comment. Real blood clot gold ring she got teeth for Germany. Axar. And then banner blood clots and send her to Jamaica. Yeah, evil wicked girl. Why not ask the girl them? The girl them know about it. And here, mother, they tell her yesterday. She terrible, man. A terrible. Then she not beat her Blandy and take a Blandy money. She beat Blandy and take a Blandy money, my love. She beat Blandy. So oh she a tell I say Kenneth asked her if he come back home from Germany. I lie she a tell. I lie she a tell. Not a Kenneth asked her if he come back home from Germany. I lie. I lie. Go over there make you ask Kenneth. No a gold she got teeth. No Blandy never big so. Blandy there Jamaica Blandy maga. Blandy slim like me. Not slim like me, but she did have body, but she never did look so. Blandy never look so. Blandy never have nobody. Yeah, me do me breast, and I eat a madam, and I eat a madam. Buttercup. What the next one name? Buttercup, she say? Buttercup and blossom. No, buttercup and blossom. Buttercup and blossom, and I eat a madam. Buttercup and blossom, and I eat a madam. Me do me breast, and I eat a madam. Buttercup and blossom, I eat a madam. Me do me breast, and I eat a madam. Better body over here, so it a bun dem. One day, mama. Better body over here, so it a mad dem. Better cup and black. We do my breast and I eat a mad dem. Pebbles care about the best so Dr. Miami give you. And when you get $500 breast, shit water in a Pebbles breast. Shit water in a Pebbles breast. Better body over here, so it a mad dem. Mad. Better body. I mean, your breast. I saw the woman breast look for true, you know. I saw Pebbles breast look for true. Everybody know I saw Pebbles breast. What you do with them and something you say, girly? What you do with them and something you say, girly? Dirty Pebbles. Nasty, crying, stinking blood clot stay by the rat about the blood clot Pebbles. Dirty. Make I put that chair and sit down. I'm going to go, where? Me a blood clot with them you say, girly? What you do with them and you say, girly? Pebbles, what them you have for you? Yes, I'm a baby, it's me. I'm a Dirty nasty stinking rat about